I guess I'm gonna upload this as Vlogmas Day 3. The only reason why I'm so consistent this year is because I'm at home waiting for COVID results and I feel fine, but I have one symptom, so I'm kind of like, can't go to work because they screen you. So I went to work on Monday and I told them I had a sore throat and they sent me home. So I was like, cool, this was not my doing. So I'm just gonna don't go looking for a window when God shows you a door, you know, I'm gonna walk right through that. So I've been home, so I'm going to just do like a day vlog, I guess, situation. It's like 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 5 and I was gonna film and I'm like, wait a minute, I don't have my results yet. I went back to bed. So I'm gonna work out right now. That's basically all I have planned for today, is to work out and then yeah, let's go from there. So to work out, I've been using my Ring Fit. It's been bomb. Guys, like I get a good sweat from it. I try to do it for like an hour every day, if not every other day. So let's go do that and yeah, go from there.
Just go back.
Well, my camera died, which is fine because I don't think there's much you need to see about that anyways. For breakfast, I'm kind of feeling the egg. Like one solid boiled egg. Just add that in there. And then I usually have like a rice cake and maybe a yogurt, maybe a fruit. Something like that. This smoothie is supposed to be my lunch. Beets, blueberries, a banana. I don't remember what else is in here, but it's basically beets, blueberry, a banana, mango juice. I'm gonna add some ginger and some more juice and blend it up. And that's my lunch. And yeah, I'm basically just trying to eat better and do better things, create better habits. Oh, it's light right here, yes. Create better habits. So there's like no pressure. I'm not putting pressure on myself to lose weight because I think that that's not realistic, and especially going into the holidays, like I know Christmas dinner for us is not going to be like a big dinner, but it's certainly going to have like good food. Like I anticipate having macaroni pie, I anticipate having chicken, I anticipate having ham, like, you know what I mean? So I'm not really fussy about losing weight. I think that my size is okay. I just think that my body could be in better shape. So that's what we're focusing on from now until 2021. So yeah, this is going to be like a short little vlogmas day, but just thought I'd keep you guys in the loop on what I'm currently doing for fitness, and especially leading up to the holidays, because I think that a lot of people kind of start doing it after the holidays, like, you know, new year, new me, 2021 resolutions. But like I started honestly 1 or 2 weeks ago, and I'm like, you know what, I think this is the best time because I'm starting to build habits that when I get into the new year, I'm actually like ready. I think when January hits, there's like a whole bunch of pressure to like, oh my gosh, meet my goals, oh my gosh. And look how 2020 threw that out the window. So I'm trying to put no pressure on myself, just do what feels right and take it day by day, you know? In my little coffee corner, one thing I want to show you guys are these Maxwell House cafes. Swiss mocha I have, as well as French vanilla. Anybody who likes a good Tim Hortons French vanilla, this is basically it. Like, it tastes exactly the same. The reason why I'm drinking these is because I love coffee, like love coffee. But part of like being healthier, wait, let me get back to my good lighting. Part of being healthier is realizing that caffeine, although it's not inherently bad for you, it inhibits the things that are bad for you. So like Tyler was telling me, like it inhibits like sodium, so it will give you like higher blood pressure and things like that, which are things that I don't know. I just became a caffeine addict and started drinking like 3 cups a day. So I'm trying to cut back, and even when I make that, I don't make it per the instructions. I kind of make it like half sweet, so not super sugary. I add more water just so that I'm at least getting a little bit of caffeine and I feel good, and a little bit of sugar and I feel good. But like caffeine and sugar, not stuff that's really good for you. So just learning to do everything in moderation and find just like little things that, you know, little cheats, because I'm, again, not being super strict with myself, just trying to be better, you know? Like, I don't need to eat like 5 slices of bread in a day. Like, that's really, especially white bread, those are really bad. You don't need to have candy or chocolate every day. Same thing with coffee. Like, I didn't have a coffee yesterday. I only drank tea. I didn't even make one of these French vanilla things. I had nothing, just tea. So it's like, okay, today I'll treat myself to a half, like, I know it sounds stupid, but like, these are the things I think we don't realize, that like, yeah, we're in our 20s and everything feels fine, but then soon we're gonna be in our 30s and our 40s and everything's not gonna be fine. And these bodies, we only get one. So just try to treat mine the best that I can, you know? So this is pretty much what my breakfast is. 1 egg, light salt and pepper, rice cake, clementine, tangerine, whatever you want to call it situation. And then I finished my French vanilla, so it's just gonna be straight water, no pop, no soda, no juice, no nothing like that. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want to see any more of these types of videos, kind of like a what I eat in a day type situation. I can certainly hook that up. But for now, I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast and I'm gonna have a good day. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or even suggestions for content like this on my channel. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.